Bismillah. Hello students, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Ehsan, and I am Ehsan and we're again at your service with a new video. So let's start. Students, it is clear from the thumbnail of the video that today we are going to attempt the first weekly test of mathematics class 7 fully based on the pattern issued by CBSE. You can see on the screen that class 7 subject mathematics and the maximum marks is 60. Time allowed is 2.5 hours, and some general instructions are also given that are very important if you are going to attempt these questions. General instructions: the first, all questions are compulsory. Yes, all questions are compulsory. The second is the question paper consists 25 questions divided into 4 sections: A, B, C and D. Yes, in total there are 25 questions given in this question paper, which are divided in 4 different sections: A, B, C and D. Instruction 3, each question of section A is of 1 mark, section B is of 2 marks each, section C is of 3 marks each, and section D is of 4 marks each. Okay, total 60 marks question. Section A, B, C and D, total 60 marks questions are there, and you can also see here that the paper is also of 60 marks. In instruction 4, it is given that the diagrams and constructions should be drawn neatly. Wherever and whenever it is needed to draw a diagram or to construct something in any of the particular question, you have to draw it very neatly, and for this you have to keep your pencils sharp, and wherever you need to erase a line or an arc, you have to erase it very neatly, and then you have to draw a new required arc or the line. In instruction 5, it is given, attach the graph papers inside the sheet and mention your name, roll number on it. Yes, on the graph paper or any additional sheet or paper that you are going to attach with the question with the answer sheet, on that extra sheet you have to write your name and the roll number to make it clear that the sheet belongs to you and not anyone else. So I think now all the instructions are clear, and now we will start seeing the questions. And let's start with section A. You have already informed that all the questions in section A is of 1 mark each, and now let's start with the first question. In question number 1, find the ratio of 30 days to 36 hours. Yes, 30 days to 36 hours. Question is very clear, you can solve. Question number 2, name the angle which is included between the sides DE and EF of triangle DEF. Yes, there is a triangle DEF. You can draw a triangle and write its name, that DEF is the given triangle. And now you have to write the angle, that angle which is included between the sides DE and EF. This is DE and this is EF. Then which angle is included between these two lines? You have to write this. Question number 3, find the number of lines of symmetry in the given figure. Yes, a figure is given in the question. You have to find the number of lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry you can draw in the figure? You have to write that number of lines, and it will be better if you show all the lines of symmetry in this figure. And question 4, write a rational number equivalent to 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9, a rational number is given, and you have to write one more rational number equivalent to the given rational number. Question number 5, if p equal to minus 2, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Yes, the value of p is given, and a polynomial in p is also given. You have to find the value of this p square minus 2p minus 100 when p is minus 2. Okay, now question number 6, you can see on the screen, what is the circumference of a circular disc of radius 14 centimeter. There is a circular disc and the radius is given 14 centimeter. You have to find what the circumference of this circular disc when its radius is 14 centimeter. All questions are very clear, and now let's start section B. Each question is of 2 marks, and general instructions have already been given. No need to repeat this or to remind you. Question number 7, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. Yes, initial population and the final population is given, and we have to find what the percentage decrease. Question number 8, write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Yes, a set of rational numbers is given here, and you have to find these rational numbers in ascending order. Now question number 9, you want to show that triangle ART congruent to triangle PEN, and it is given that angle T equal to angle N, and you are to use SAS criteria you need to have. And what you need to have, there are two triangles ART and PEN. You need to prove that the two triangles are congruent. One thing is given, one relation is given, angle T equal to angle N, and the criteria you are going to use to prove the two triangles congruent is SAS. Then what do you need for this? RT must be equal to what, and PN must be equal to what. You have to fill with the required sides or whatever it is needed in the blanks. Here are blanks. Okay, now let's see the next question. The figures is also given, the figure of the two triangle ART and PEN also given. Now question number 10 you can see on the screen. Question number 10 is, what cross sections do you get when you give a vertical cut to the following solids? A die, a round apple. A die is there, you know it is cubical. You can draw a die like this, and if you give a cut, what cross section do you get when you give a vertical cut? You are going to cut this with the help of a vertical line. Suppose you have a sharp knife in your hand and you are cutting this vertically, then what shape do you get? You have to write that shape. And a round apple, there is a round apple and you with a sharp knife are cutting this, then what shape do you get? You have to write in the answer sheet against the question number 10. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 11 you can see on the screen. Give the order of rotational symmetry of the given figures about the point marked X. Yes, the X is a point and you have to give the order of rotational symmetry for the two figures 1 and 2. Okay, questions are very clear. And now question number 12 you can see on the screen. For given solid, draw front view and side view. Yes, there is a solid, you have to draw front view and side view. The top view is given, this is top view, and this is the front view, and this is the side view. You have to draw what? Front view and side view for the given solid, which is a brick. Okay, now let's see the next question. Question number 13 you can see on the screen. Which letters of English alphabet have reflection symmetry? That is symmetry related to mirror reflection about a vertical line and a horizontal line. Write any two. You have to write two letters for the first case, satisfying the first case, first criteria, and the write any two satisfying the second criteria, that is which has a reflection symmetry when the mirror is horizontal. Okay, now question number 14. Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She loses 20% in the bargain. What was the price at which she bought it? Yes, Juhi sells a machine for rupees 13,500. The selling price is given, loss percent is given, and what was the price at which she bought it? That is you are required to find the CP of the machine. Now let's see the next question. Question number 15, it is given, subtract 5a square minus 7ab plus 5b square from 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square. Very simple question. Question number 16, find any three rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, now it is also clear. Questions are very simple. You can solve all these questions. Very simple. Start with enough energy and confidence to solve these questions. Question number 17, in the figure given below, ray AZ bisects angle DAB as well as angle DCB. Yes, you can see the figure. There is a ray AZ which bisects angle DAB as well as angle DCB. And what do we need to do in this question? In first part, state any two pairs of equal parts in triangles BAC and triangle DAC. Okay. Part 2, is angle BAC equal to angle DAC? If yes, why? If no, why? You have to write reasons also supporting your answer. In part 3, is AB equal to AD? Is AB equal to AD? Justify your answer. If yes, why? If no, why? You have to justify your reasons. That means you have to explain this enough that it will be clear to the examiner. Okay, now this is the figure of question 17. And now let's see question 18. Question 18, you can see, do as directed, find the sum of 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4 and find the product of 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. Very simple questions are there. You can easily do all these questions. Now let's see question 19. Question 19, two sides of a parallelogram ABCD are 6 cm and 4 cm. The height BE corresponding to the base CD is 3 cm. And find the, what do we need to find? Area of the parallelogram and the height BF corresponding to the base AD. The figure is given, very neat and clean figure. You can solve these questions. Now let's see the next one. Question number 20, you can see here, the figure shows two circles with the same center. The radius of the larger circle is 10 cm and the radius of the smaller circle is 4 cm. Find. And what do you need to find? The area of the larger circle and then the area of the smaller circle. Okay, you can see figure here. And in part C, what do you need to find? The shaded area between the two circles, and here the pi of value is given here. You have to take pi equal to 3.14 and not 22 upon 7. In question number 21, the minute hand of a circular clock is 15 cm long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? And in this question also, take pi equal to 3.14. Now let's see section D, in which each question is of 4 marks. Chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. And what do we do with this question? Find the percentage of the carbon in the chalk, and in a stick of chalk, carbon is 3 gram. What is the weight of the chalk stick? Okay. Now question 23. Let's see question 23. Now question 23, you can see on the screen, two crossroads each of 10 meter cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of length 700 meter and breadth 300 meter and parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. Also find the area of the park excluding crossroads and give the answer in hectares. Yes, we have to find the required areas and convert these areas in hectares because answer is demanded in hectares. Question 24, from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, subtract 3x minus y minus 11. Okay, question 25, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Yes. Now question number 26. So this was the last question, question number 25. I hope you have understood all these questions. Our questions are very simple, and I am sure that you all can solve these questions if you have solved the questions in your textbook. Then do these questions. The time allowed is 2.5 hours, and after solving questions you can take the pics of all the pages in your answer sheets and you can send me to my WhatsApp number. And if you don't have my WhatsApp number, then let me write on the screen 736206015 and 8. You can send the pics of your answer sheets, the pages of your answer sheets on this WhatsApp number. And if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of such useful videos and complete your preparation in a satisfactory manner. So that's all in this video. Take care and thank you.